As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Master Cook 3-burner grill, B082HG76CB, and the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Broiler, B08G8NYBX6. First impressions?
Well, the Master Cook seems like your standard backyard grill. 3 burners, foldable shelves, the usual. The Bighorn is different. It's a tabletop infrared broiler, promising steakhouse quality searing.
Right. The Master Cook boasts 30,000 BTUs across its 3 burners and a 472 SQ in cooking area. It's definitely bigger.
True. The Bighorn only has 12,000 BTUs, but it's infrared, reaching a crazy 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's all about that intense, quick sear. The cooking area is much smaller, though.
So volume versus intensity. The Master Cook is better for cooking for a family, burgers, chicken, that sort of thing?
Exactly. Think of the Bighorn as a specialty tool. It's for that perfect steak, maybe some quick seared seafood. It's also portable, which is a plus for camping or tailgating. The Master Cook, not so much.
Good point. The Master Cook is 46.5 wide and weighs almost 47 pounds. The Bighorn is only 17 inches wide and weighs around 22 pounds. Big difference. What about materials?
Both are stainless steel, but the Bighorn emphasizes its durability and easy cleaning. Even dishwasher-safe parts. The Master Cook focuses on the stainless steel control panel.
Price-wise, they're pretty close, aren't they?
Yeah, the Bighorn is around $140, and the Master Cook is about $200. A bit more expensive.
So if you want a versatile, everyday grill, the Master Cook seems like the better choice.
But if you're a steak fanatic and want that perfect sear at home, and portability is a plus, the Bighorn is definitely worth considering. It's about prioritizing searing power over cooking area. Also worth noting, the Bighorn has a much smaller review count. This means that the Master Cook is a more popular choice for consumers.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.